Well, we repotted our Chicago Hardy fig that was growing on the kitchen counter. You might have seen him in some of my kitchen videos where he's just been sitting in a old plastic water bottle. But he kind of outgrew that environment. He's got 3 beautiful leaves. So we thought he deserved a brand new home. He's going to be called Chicago Junior. The fig, the other Chicago Hardy fig we had that was called Hardy, kind of died. I tried to grow him again from his roots, but he's not proven to be so hardy. But who knows? He's still sitting in the greenhouse getting watered regularly. Maybe he'll come back in the spring. But for now, say hi to Chicago Junior.